My mentor once told me, stop doing the things what does not make you any money and start doing only the things what does make you more money. So I put together a list of 5 most important things, in my opinion, what you should avoid for becoming successful. Number 1, flexing. This is definitely one of the things what I have personally going against. As soon as I turned 18, I got my driver's license, I got myself a car with a loan, and of course, I also needed to upgrade my sound system. And I take another loan from the bank to upgrade my my car sound system. And of course, the payments was extremely hard to make because I really was not ready for this kind of financial commitment. So whatever it is for you, either it is flexing with your clothes, with your travel, with your jewelry, if you are not able to buy 2 times yourself, not with the loan of the bank, then you should not buy it yet. You're not ready for this. So wait, don't get distracted. You don't need it right away. Give yourself a little bit of time, a little bit of breathing room, and accumulate your assets. Number 2, drinking. This is of course giving a lot of controversy because a lot of people who are rich, they are drinking. But I can assure you that if you want to get ahead, then you should not drink. You just think about it yourself. When was the last time when you went on a night out and when you get wasted and you were richer in the morning because of that? It has never happened, right? So drinking is, of course, it's bad for your health, but is a huge distraction. It's a huge distraction because first of all, you are gonna go out and next day is not gonna be a very good work day for you. But the second thing, of course, it also consumes a lot of money in the same way as just flexing. It is not needed, it's an expensive thing. If you want to build up your business, at least that time, don't drink and you're gonna thank me later. Number 3, if you're single, stay single the time when you are building your business. You don't need the extra liability, you don't need these extra expenses.
So if you're not doing anything to make my life easier, why am I with you?
Your attention goes away if you are starting to hunt the girls instead of hunting your goals in the business. Focus on yourself. Focus on your business right now, and later on, when you are already wealthy and when you don't need to flex for anybody, you're gonna find also your dream girl. If you're already married, it doesn't mean that you need to get divorced, but speak with your wife about your goals and about your dreams and about what you intend to do for yourself and what you intend to do for her and for the family. And make sure that she's gonna understand that you cannot be interrupted at the time when you are focused on your business. And if you have a good wife, understanding wife, and wants the same things what you want, then she's gonna understand and she's gonna support you. Number 4, try all the new opportunities. If you are not able to commit yourself into one thing, you are not able to learn it deep enough to actually understand all of the things about the business, what you need to know, and you can never become successful. Because building a business takes time, it takes years, it takes long time of hardcore commitment. And if you're always jumping around for one thing, another thing, and building your 10 different income sources in your mind, then everything eventually is going to collapse. You need to stay focused, you need to learn all the ins and outs about your business and not to jump around. Number 5, don't invest in yourself. Like Jim Rohn was saying, that if you want to become successful, you need to work on yourself more than you're working on your job.
Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job.
Learn to develop your own skills. Find the books what to read. Find the courses where to go. Find the seminars. Find the people to surround yourself who is positive and who want the same things as you. Develop yourself, develop your skills, develop your way to persuade and sell. Find the materials, buy the courses, do whatever it is needed. Because if you today are making, let's say $1,000 per month, or let's say $5,000 per month, and you want to get into $1 million per month, then your education would be worth $995,000. So if you spend less than $995,000 on your education for becoming better, and then you become a millionaire, then it was a profitable venture, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, also subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Put some comment also below if you are getting rich from this knowledge, or if it is opposite for you and you go to the clubbing and you are drinking a lot and you became successful, then you can go and write to the comments that, hey, Kent, you know, actually I started drinking more and now I'm rich. So you can share also this knowledge with the other people. I have a lot of other videos also about the cryptocurrencies, how to trade, how to do certain different kind of things. Also definitely skills, what to learn if you yet don't know what you want to do with your life. Maybe there is something in there what can help you to produce more money. Thank you so much for watching.